Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you how to create the playlist and how to add your video into playlist. Let's start. Go to YouTube and right hand side you can see you will get one circle. Click on it and click on YouTube Studio. Just seconds loading. Yeah. Right hand side you can see create options. Click on create and create new playlist and give any name. Let I am giving education and here you can select the public option, so your video will go for public, so anyone can see your video and create. Now it's created. Let's upload your one video. Select files. So I'm uploading one video here, and after that here in the playlist sections you'll get one drop down. Click on it and click education. So I created two times. So how many playlists you are creating, so it will display many uh, playlist here, so you can select any one and also you can select the multiple playlist and click done. After that you can click the next and next, and here you can select public and now you can publish. So after that you can go to your playlist. Now you can see video has added into the playlist. So now you can see. Thank you watching for this video. If this video will help you, please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get new videos. Thank you guys. See you on next video. Thank you.